Yo. Ikuyabanda. And it's wrong. Very wrong. Sanibonani, football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. In today's video, we'll talk about 5 players. Edmilson Chaney, Mhleli Mabuza, Chokufato Mabasa, Peter Shalulile, bese sivala ngoZenan Zajmovic. Kodwa ke nani niyalazi udaba ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi sekude bengicela ningisize ngento yodwa by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke uma so subscribeile danko kaningi. Asivele sihlala udabeni. It was reported by Austin Ditlhobolo that Orlando Pirates are leading the race to sign a young attacking midfielder by the name of Edmilson Chaney from Hope FC that is playing Mutsipe Foundation Championship, beating teams like Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu FC, Durban City, and TS Galaxy. And I believe we were all saying that no, Kaizer Chiefs is not doing anything. Other teams are signing left, right, and center. Kaizer Chiefs just signed Ukhanyisa Mai on a permanent deal. And this player that I'm going to talk about, Uchane Edmilson, he's 19 years old. He's playing with attacking midfield. And we all know Uti. In that attacking midfield, we need a player that is renowned. A player that has experience, but not old. A player, I believe, from ages aboma 25 to 27. Because now he understands that position better than someone that is 19 years old. And I believe even if it was to happen, Kaizer Chiefs to sign Uchane, it's not a player I'd say you're gonna rely on in terms of carrying the team, in terms of being a go-getter in that attacking midfield. Because I believe he wouldn't bench Umdodai. Yeah, he is good, as they say, because Angmaz. I don't know, what do you think about this play? What do you think of him? Even if there was an opportunity to sign him, I don't think he was going to succeed at Chiefs. Instead, the Chiefs should just opt to let's give Steven Mendes an opportunity to senior team. But also, they must not make this mistake of making him a key player. That's the thing that makes these youngsters of Kaizer Chiefs to be consumed by a pressure, to suffocate because they get overwhelmed. Kaizer Chiefs produces good players, but the only problem is that they fail to succeed with senior team. Let's move to Zenan Zajmovic. Zaj. Now that he's a free agent, people are saying that Kaizer Chiefs should sign this player. He's 31 years old and it didn't help Cape Town City to gain back a promotion to the top flight football. He has experience, but when he arrived here in SA, TS Galaxy, that's where he was making moves. He was making waves there because it was his first season and he was trying by all means, I want to make a name for myself. And obviously, after that, people were saying, oh, Kaizer Chiefs should sign this player because he was good during that time. But after that, he never became a good player because he went to Iraq and came back, and then we Cape Town City, Lapana Mutsipe Foundation, because they were relegated. And now at Chiefs we have Ukhanyisa Mayo, we have Flavio da Silva, and my youngsters good at position of strike, including Etiosa Ikotar. I believe next season, if everything goes according to plan, if they get the supply they need to get from wingers and attacking midfield, they can score many goals, especially Ukhanyisa Mayo. Being given this opportunity simply means it's an opportunity for him to redeem himself after having a bad season with the Kaizer Chiefs. 15 games, just 2 goals scored. Yeah, that's not the caliber of Khanyisa Mahe. We know him ukuthi when he's on song, 10 plus goals are guaranteed from Khanyisa Mahe. But asikhulumi ngomayo la indaba uZajmovic ukuthi as ama-fans, would you accept uZajmovic ku-Chiefs right now? Will he bench uMayo? Will he bench Flavio da Silva? According to me, I don't think so. Then again, there's another striker, Uchehufacho Mabasa. All these strikers are free agents, and we are known of being the free agent merchant because we know very well that when it comes to free agent, Kaizer Chiefs doesn't miss. We are used to the art of signing free agents, as Papa Wawa says. He's 29 years old, he's still capable of scoring goals. And I don't think Guti, compared to Zajmovic, there can be a problem in terms of administration because he's South African. And it's a player you know very well, Guti. He's a proven goal scorer. He has done it in consecutive seasons compared to a Premiership, DSTV, and the Abs. And it's a striker that you know, Guti. If given enough supply, he'll score you many goals because he knows his way around the 18 area. But the real question is, do we really need him though? After the strikers that I've mentioned initially that are playing for Kaizer Chiefs. Because what he does, Flavio da Silva can do it. But we don't know what he in the next season, will he be the preferred number 1 striker for Kaizer Chiefs or not? Or will he score 10 goals again? We are not sure. So having immense power up front, I believe it was going to be good also. Depending whether Kaizer Chiefs is considering signing Uchehufacho Mabasa. And then asivaleni ngaye ke laphana umfo wamabuza. Umfo wamabuza man. Hey nangu umuntu kahlula ngisho umagebo olimi lwakhe. uMabuza is one of the players that was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. But we know very well ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs giving Delan Solomons a contract extension simply means that there was something that was happening behind the scenes that we didn't know about. And now that uMabuza got an offer and also got unveiled by his new club, the FC Differdange 03 yale eLuxembourg. Siyasivezela isithombe ukuthi oh man, kahle kahle this what actually happened, because it was not going to be difficult to get him. But for the fact that I've mentioned in one of my previous videos, which is one of the players that most of his career he spent it in Europe, Portugal. So he is still ambitious of continuing, staying and moving around in Europe. That's why he got that offer from Differdange. And there he has an opportunity to play UEFA Champions League football, because Differdange were the champions in the previous season and is one of the best clubs in Luxembourg. They are so big. So it's all about now with okay, let me weigh my options. But considering his age, I believe that in future he might still come back to Kaizer Chiefs, because I'm a contractor watholayo man. Angixaka mina ukuthi how come a good player njalo uthola 1 year with an option to extend bamhlaba nge6 months itoho? How come? But for a quality that he is, because one thing that sets him apart is his speed. We have that in Delan Solomons. But the age is still on his side.